Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best iPhone 12 mini screen protectors you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. iPhone 12 mini is powered by the latest A14 bionic processor, sports the new design, and is small enough to be easily used by one hand. The latest iPhone 12 mini also gets nearly the same OLED display that is on the Pro models. That means you're getting better contrast and deeper blacks. And if you want the display to remain pristine, you should slap a screen protector on it. To make your work easier, I have listed the best iPhone 12 mini screen protectors that you can buy right now. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 12 mini screen protectors to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. On number 9 is Rookie 9H Hardness. The iPhone 12 mini screen protector can protect your screen from any key, coin or other sharp object scratches. HD Clarity. This iPhone 12 mini front and back screen protector is made of tempered glass that provides 99.9% transparency, giving you amazing image clarity that preserves every pixel. Support wireless charger. With this iPhone 12 mini front and back screen protector, no wireless charging effect, never slows down the speed. Case friendly. With most cases, it can work without lifting up, coming off, as these iPhone screen protector films leave slightly room for case entry on the edge. Smooth touch. iPhone 12 mini front and back screen protector feels like there is nothing while using it, so you can enjoy the smoothest feeling and unmatched sensitivity to touch. On number 8 is Hiazel Screen Protector. Scratch proof. This durable screen protector consistently protects your screen from scratches, scuffs, and impacts. 2.5D coverage, edge-to-edge 2.5D screen coverage, compatible with most protective case friendly. 99.99% high definition clear hydrophobic and oleophobic screen coating protects against sweat and oil residue from fingerprints. Easiest installation, you just need to full clean the screen and align the screen. The premium cleaning cloth and dust remover give you a bubble and dust free application. Before installing the screen protector, please watch our installation video to ensure that the installation method is correct. Size, 9H Hardness tempered glass screen protector for iPhone 12 mini phone 5.4 inch. On number 7 is ESR. Specifically designed for the iPhone 12 mini. Not compatible with other models of any kind. Easy installation. The cleaning kit and installation frame make it a breeze to put on your iPhone 12 mini. Triple strength tempered for serious protection, to withstand up to 5 kilograms of pressure. Face ID compatible, precisely cut to allow easy unlocking with Face ID for the iPhone 12 mini. On number 6 is bionic. Keep your information safe and prevent others from viewing the information on your phone screen. Important, this screen protector is designed to filter out a portion of screen brightness. Your device's screen brightness will be reduced by 35% when this protector is in use. For optimal usage, turn up your preferred brightness during day-to-day operation. This strong 9H hardness level protector will guarantee your cell phone the best protection against drops, bumps, scratches and normal wear and tear. Only 0.3 mm thin, making them ultra-lightweight to allow for a delicate touch-style screen protector that promises not to interfere with the sensitivity of your touch screen. On number 5 is Mape ProX. Fits most cases, except for cases with heavy raised edges such as battery cases. Made from the best super strong explosion-proof tempered glass material. Provide edge-to-edge protection against scratches, scuffs and minor drops for your iPhone. Ultra clear, the native HD iPhone experience is provided by transparent protectors. It is truly anti-scratch, anti-oil, bubble-free and anti-fingerprints. Keep your screen clear at all times. Come with installation tools in the package. The content of the box includes 2 packed glass screen protectors, guidance frame, wet, dry wipes, user guide, and stickers for dust removal guide. On number 4 is iAir. Made of real tempered glass that protects the original screen from shattering, with an industry-leading hardness of 9H. 99% high-definition clear hydrophobic and oleophobic coating can prevent the water in from scattering. Water and oil can be wiped away very easily. Adheres to the phone screen without any gaps or bubbles, leaving the touch sensitivity unaffected. 99% high-definition clear hydrophobic and oleophobic screen case coating protects against sweat and oil residue from fingerprints. On number 3 is Spigen tempered glass durability rated at 9H hardness, iPhone 12 mini, 2020 screen protector, Glas.tR EZ Fit, 2-pack, includes an innovative installation kit for easy application, auto alignment, Compatible with every Spigen case, Mape case oleophobic coating for resistance to daily fingerprinting mini screen protector for iPhone 12, designed for iPhone 12 mini, 2020. On number 2 is Belkin. Ultra Glass Antimicrobial Screen Protector was designed to provide the absolute strongest protection available. Double ion exchange strengthened, paired with the highest possible scratch resistance rating, delivers ultimate durability and resilience. A new, antimicrobial coating reduces 99% of bacterial growth on your screen, without sacrificing touchscreen response or clarity. Intelligent glass composition preserves touchscreen functionality, while a barely there thickness of just 0.29 mm ensures crystal clear viewing on your screen. Based on drop tests of lithium aluminosilicate versus single tempered aluminosilicate glass, using rough sandpaper, 80% of samples survived a drop height 2x higher than conventional single tempered aluminosilicate glass. On number 1 is Case Mape. Meet the screen protector of all screen protectors, Clean Screens Glass. Crafted from the most durable tempered glass with built-in microbial protection, this screen protector provides ultimate protection. Complete with 2x shatter protection, Ultra Glass absorbs and disperses the force of impact, for when life happens. Protecting your most prized possession from both shatters, scratches, and germs. You really can't get any better than this. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 12 mini screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.